Mates, you know that moment when you need professional video content, but hiring a production team costs a fortune and takes forever. Most artificial intelligence tools promise quick results, but deliver mediocre quality that screams AI generated from a mile away. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I want to show you Akool. We'll see why over 7 million users trust it for their production needs. Whether you run a small business or manage marketing campaigns, this might be exactly what you need to create visuals without breaking the bank. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. Akool is an AI-powered creative suite that lets you generate professional videos, images, and marketing materials without expensive equipment or technical expertise. Folks, this platform gives you access to industry-leading AI models like Sora 2, Veo 3, and Nano Banana. Each model specializes in different tasks, from hyper-realistic human emotions to cinematic motion capture. This service is trusted by companies and creators around the world, powering millions of visual projects every month. What makes this different from other AI tools is the quality. The output looks authentic enough for commercial campaigns, product launches, and professional advertising. You get Hollywood-level production values without the Hollywood budget. The platform covers everything from image generation to video editing, all in one place. No switching between multiple tools, no complicated workflows, just straightforward creation that gets results. Whether you need product demos, social media content, or advertising campaigns, Akool handles it all while cutting production costs by up to 80%. Guys, let's open the website and see what it is really capable of. The first thing that catches your eye is the bright interface. Everything feels intuitive, from the top navigation bar to the way each feature is grouped. You can scroll down and instantly see Akool's achievements and community numbers. The awards prove how much trust it has earned among creators and companies around the world. It already feels like a complete workspace, not just another experiment with AI. In the Products panel, you can explore the full list of tools. They are divided into 4 simple categories: live, video, image, and audio. Each one opens a whole new creative direction. This is what makes this service so practical. You can build an entire campaign here, from the first sketch to a ready-to-publish clip. Friends, let's move to the dashboard, the real heart of the platform. It greets us with a section called Trending Templates, quick presets that you can use instantly. But today, we'll start from scratch. Our goal is to build a launch campaign for wireless headphones. We begin with the image generator. It's very straightforward. Describe what you want, choose your settings, and let Akool do the rest. I'll write a short product description and pick one of the popular models, which are known for realistic product renders. If you need inspiration or want to see what prompts work well, there is a quick pick function that displays random prompt examples. The Smart Text feature helps improve your prompts or even translate them into English without leaving the platform. No need to switch to external translation tools or search for prompt ideas elsewhere. Next, mates, I choose from popular models like Nano Banana and Seed Dream, along with several others. I can set the quantity to 4, so I get multiple options instead of just one result. The scale setting stays as is, and the resolution allows me to create images in 4K quality. I will hit Generate now. My request processes, and the 4 variations start appearing. This takes just a few seconds. Once the results load, I can review all the options and pick whichever fits best. This one looks good to me. The other version works as well. You can download them immediately, share them across social networks, copy the link, or delete if needed. Here is something interesting, folks. If you click Post and Earn, you can share your image with the community. When others create content using your material, you earn 2 extra credits each time someone recreates it. Not many platforms offer this kind of reward system. From this preview page, you can send your image directly to other tools. If you want a fresh look, you can change the background directly from here. You can also take the next step and transform the image into a video without switching apps. And if you'd like to adjust the process itself, Akool gives you full flexibility. You can reset your task settings and reuse the same idea with different models. It's also possible to simply regenerate new results until you find the one that fits your campaign perfectly. It's a creative loop that keeps inspiration flowing instead of slowing you down. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Let me select this picture and send it to image. The platform automatically takes me to the generation page with my selected reference already attached. No manual uploading required. Now I adjust the similarity setting, which controls how closely the created product matches the original photo. I want maximum similarity because it helps maintain product consistency. The chance of the product looking distorted becomes very low. Next comes the prompt. I will create a poster to promote this product. As for the model, I will stick with the standard Akool model. Everything else remains unchanged. Mates, let's generate the posters now. Within seconds, 4 posters appear. The first poster has slightly garbled text, but the second looks perfect for my campaign. Another option works well too. Those 2 are my favorites, and I can use them as is without any edits. Now let me transform this into video. I want to animate this poster. The platform loads our poster as the starting frame automatically. I need to enter a prompt describing the characteristics I want to see. You can adjust the AI creativity mode, and the smart text feature helps refine your request. You can also select an effect to apply it to your video. This 360 orbit effect seems perfect for our footage. Folks, standard step next, choosing the model. Akool maintains a wide selection and keeps up with updates by supporting the most popular and highest quality models. Here I want to use Akool Premium. Again, we select how many results to generate. Video length stays at 5 seconds. I will let artificial intelligence create the audio, though you can pick no audio if you prefer. Resolution set to 4K. When everything is ready, the results start processing. After a few minutes, the first one finishes. Let's preview it. Options for posting and sharing this video appear too. Now I suggest we check the second video. Sound layers automatically. I like this one better, so I will save it and use it in my projects going forward. Guys, let's experiment a bit more and see what else we can create with this tool. This time, instead of generating another product animation, we'll make a short story. I want a realistic scene featuring a smiling person wearing the headphones. All the settings remain the same as before, but we'll switch the model. I'll use Sora 2 for this one. The generation takes just a moment, and here it is. Let's check out the result. As you can see, the shape of the headphones and the overall look came out quite accurate, and the person's expression feels natural. This kind of clip could easily work in a lifestyle advertisement or social media campaign. Friends, Akool also lets us take it one step further by adding a voice script directly onto the video. You can paste the text you want narrated, then pick a voice from the built-in library. You can even upload your own recording or record it right here on the platform, which is super convenient. I hit generate again, and a few seconds later, the final video appears.
This is more than sound. It's next-gen audio by design.
Mates, in this demonstration, you can see how this tool combines visuals and voice seamlessly, helping you create ready-to-use content in minutes. Okay, folks, here's my verdict on Akool. It delivers professional-grade video content without the traditional barriers of cost, time, or technical skill. From concept to finished campaign, the platform handles every step while maintaining quality that actually works for commercial use. Production that used to take weeks and cost thousands now happens in minutes at a fraction of the price. If you have been putting off video marketing because it felt too expensive or complicated, this might be your opportunity to change that. Try Akool, experiment with the generators, and see how quickly you can bring your creative vision to life. What type of content would you create first with a tool like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.